I didn't have a good clear picture, so I started again.
Oh my god. It's getting worse.
Michigan, March, 75 degrees, hailing. We're under a tornado watch. And that was lightning.
Dude, that was like a strobe light. Hold that. I put it on my neck for the jacket. You got him? Yeah. Down. Ow, that actually hurt my light. I mean,
Yeah.
eyes. That was like strobe light-ish.
That was great. That's some crazy fucking weather. The front's this.
And the hail has finally gone back to rain.
Really close. Like, really, really
The lightning to thunder was instantaneous. It's kind of on top of us right now.
Yeah. Because I believe they say every second, once you see the lightning strike, every second that you don't hear the thunder boom, it's like... That was like right
that
there.
side of the trees, yeah.
That wasn't even 100 miles away. That wasn't even a mile away.
Yeah. It's about 1,000 feet away. That's on the other side of the trees.
That hurt. Oh. More people getting in trouble.
We can hear sirens in the distance.
Yeah.
Ow. Dude, that really hurt.
Uh-huh.
Sirens everywhere. Did they catch something on fire or something?
We only lost power for about, 4 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
First time this house has not lost power.
I know. Like, and it came right back on. Well, usually they say this neighborhood is notorious for like...
Yeah. Well, that was pretty fantastic. Good times.
You can call it that.
I do. I do.
Ow, that still hurt my retina.
Yeah.